Hello everyone. Today I choose topic our planets for you. So let's start. Planets are heavenly bodies that revolve around the sun. The planets are also known as wanderers. Point to be noted that sometimes planets are also known as wanderers. WANDERERS wanderers. They move around the sun on a set path known as orbit. They do not produce heat or light but reflect the light of the sun. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are the 8 planets that move around the sun. Planets are different from the stars. While planets revolve around the sun, the stars are stationary and they produce their own light and heat. So, Mercury is the very nearest planet of the sun. Mercury. Mercury is the very smallest planet and it is nearest to the sun. Then, is only a slightly larger than Earth's moon. Mercury is the fastest planet jipping. Jipping means to move at high speed around the sun every 88 Earth days. And one thing is more that Mercury has no moons or satellites. Next is Venus. Venus spins slowly in the opposite direction. Point to be noted, Venus spins slowly in the opposite direction from most planets. A thick atmosphere traps heat in a runaway greenhouse effect, making it the hottest planet in our solar system. And some more points are to be noted from Venus planet that Venus is the twin planet of the Earth. It is also known as morning star or evening star. It is also known as morning star or evening star. So the next point is Venus is also known as twin planet of the Earth. Why Venus is also called twin planet of the Earth? Because it is the almost of the same size as the Earth. That is why Venus is called twin planet of the Earth. Now come to next planet, that is Earth. So all of you know that Earth is a unique planet. So Earth, our home planet, is the only place we know of so far that's inhabited by living things. It's also the only planet in our solar system with liquid water on the surface. And 2/3 of Earth's surface are covered with water. The Earth is also known as blue planet. The Earth is only sometimes known as blue planet and it has only one moon. Now come to our next planet, that is Mars. So Mars is a dusty, cold desert world with a very thin atmosphere. There is strong evidence. Evidence means proof. Mars was billions of years ago wetter and warmer with a thicker atmosphere. So, and Mars is also known as red planet. Mars is also known as red planet and it is the fourth planet from the sun. It has 2 moons. Point to be noted that Mars has 2 moons. Next come to our next planet, that is Jupiter is more than twice as massive than the other planets of the solar system combined. The giant Alip planet's great red spot is a centuries old storm bigger than Earth, and Jupiter is the largest of all planets. Point to be noted that Jupiter is the largest of all planets. It has faint rings around it. It has many moons. Now come to next planet, that is Saturn. Adorned with a dazzling complex system of icy rings, Saturn is unique in our solar system. The other giant planets have rings, but none are as spectacular as Saturn's. On the other hand, Saturn is known as ringed planet. Point to be noted that Saturn is also known as the ringed planet and is as large as Jupiter. There are many bright rings around Saturn, making it the loveliest of all planets. It has many moons. Point to be noted that Saturn has many moons. Now come to our next planet, that is Uranus. So, seventh planet from the Sun, rotates at nearly 90-degree angle from the plane of its orbit. This unique make Uranus appear to spin on its side. So Uranus is only planet that spin on its own side and its own axis. That is why Uranus is very unique planet. It is the seventh planet from the Sun. It is the only planet which rolls on its sides and on its axis at the 90-degree. The other planets spin upright. Uranus is also encircled by many thin rings and moons. Next is Neptune. Neptune, the eighth and the most distant major planet orbiting our Sun, is dark, cold and filled by supersonic winds. It was the first planet located through mathematical calculations. So on the other hand, Neptune